Obedience is rarely understood on the front end, only afterwards. Applies here in LegalShield. When my mentors said, do X, Y, or Z, I didn't question. I did it. I was obedient to my mentors and my mentorship. And because I was willing to be obedient to what they were telling me to do, and I knew they had my best interest at heart, I did it. And because I was obedient, they spent more time with me. If your mentor in LegalShield tells you to do X, Y, or Z, and you're not doing it, don't expect to have them mentor you anymore. You'll understand afterwards. If you just go do what they share with you to do, consistent enough, long enough, with the best attitude you got, you're going to get the results, and then you'll understand why they told you to do it. Think about it. Your upline gets paid on your success. They make money when you make money. They make no money when you make no money. So why would your upline not tell you the highest and best use of your time? So, look, guys, I'm running out of time. Oh my gosh, I've got a bunch of things I want